My name is Suman Chowdhury. I'm an assistant professor in the Department of Industrial, Manufacturing and Systems Engineering at Texas Tech University. And I'm also the director for Human Performance and Neuro-Engineering Laboratory here at Texas Tech University. The Human Performance and Neuro-Engineering Laboratory started its journey in September 2019. The main goal of my research is to serve humanity by advancing the science and engineering technologies in the areas of neurorehabilitation, traumatic brain injury, exoskeleton, robotics and helmet designs, and lastly by conducting brain-inspired hardware and software designs. So when I was actually a professional industrial engineer, I have seen the worker safety issues in the industry. So I can actually connect the injury and the safety of the worker with the biomechanical laboratories, because the biomechanical laboratory focus on the collecting human movement data or try to evaluate different occupational activities, how the worker performs and what are the risks of injuries in the workplace.
In the Human Performance and Neuro-Engineering Lab, it's probably my favorite project that we've been working on just because there's so much that we get to do that's so applied. We have a project right now where we're building a whole new helmet, and we got to be hands-on with the firefighters who were building it for. We got to go through training with them. I've also had lots of people just pour into the project that we're doing with ideas and with just ways that we can further improve it. It's been really cool to see everyone come together to make this new helmet.
We have integrated methods and knowledge from multiple domains. Those domains include the biomechanics, neuroscience, artificial intelligence, and control theory. By drawing the methods and knowledge from these four major domains, we try to develop a theoretical and modeling framework by acquiring a subject-specific biomechanical and neuroengineering data related to the brain injury, brain activities, muscle activities, and their whole musculoskeletal movement dynamics. In our research laboratory, we are currently have 3 projects. We completed an exoskeleton design and evaluation project, which was funded by the National Institute of Occupational Health and Safety, NIOSH. And then we have 2 ongoing projects which are funded by the Department of Homeland Security. And we are the first group who will come up with a firefighting helmet that will provide both ballistic and thermal protection. In addition, we are also developing a law enforcement helmet which will provide a concussion protection for both the linear and oblique impacts. So these are some of the parts that potential students will get to know about my research and my research laboratory. My research approach include development of the computational and theoretical framework by collecting human subject data. In the human subject data includes the muscle activity, brain activity, and other multimodal imaging technologies, which include MRI and CT scans. By combining experimental data and the modeling framework, we advance the science and engineering technologies in the areas of neuroscience and biomechanics.